Hello, my name is James Barbera, and I am at Central Michigan University in Mount Pleasant, Michigan, and I'm going to show you how to cleave with the Vytran LDC-400. Looks something like this. It also has a keypad, programming keypad, looks like that. The first step is you want to get ready. You want to make sure you have everything you need. The first thing is you definitely want to wear some gloves. Whenever dealing with the cleaver, you want to wear gloves because on your hands there are oils and dirt that possibly could get inside and cause damage to the cleaver itself, or just by handling the fiber, it could cause problems with future laser projects. Other tools, you need the fiber stripper, Kim wipes, a cleaning solution, the L wrench to put in the different inserts, and possibly some canned air. When stripping normal fiber, you want to strip about 1.5 inches from the end. I've already stripped this fiber here. I already have a good chunk of it stripped. To strip it, make sure you have the right stripper for a certain size of your fiber. Put the fiber on the inside, like so. You want to grasp down on the fiber and then pull as straight as possible. Once that is done, you should have something that looks just like this. There might be possibly some leftover acrylate coating on the top of the bare fiber. So what you want to do is you want to grab one of your Kim wipes and your cleaning solution. I have an eyedropper here to grab some of the solution, put it right in the center of your Kim wipe. Once you have your solution, put the bare fiber right in the center, pinch down. That'll clean it. It's nice and clean. After that, you just got to make sure you use the correct inserts in the LCD-400. Inserts go on the bottom and top. To choose the correct ones, you want to refer to the insert selection guide in the Vytran manual. Page 22 shows the top insert and the bottom insert, which one you should use, and the different size fibers are in the center. My certain fiber has a 900 outside coating and a 120 bare glass. So I've already put a couple of them in already. It's very simple. You use your L wrench here. There's a couple screws here and here, on the bottom, here and here. For the top ones, a little bit tricky. You could put in your insert like so, kind of hold it, and try to put it in from the back. It doesn't work as well. What you really want to do is you want to close your insert and slide it in right from the back. It's nice and easy, and you can put down the lever. Now it's nice and snug. Now you don't have to worry about any difficulties. It doesn't take much pressure to tighten the screws, so you don't want to strip the screws, especially because you have a very wimpy tool, because the screws are very small. Once it is all tightened up, basically all set to go. Next step is the programming process. What you're going to do is you're going to turn on the Vytran LDC-400. You're firing up right now. You have your programming keypad. What you want to do is you want to go to your parameters and scroll through until you get to fiber diameter. Select that. You want to type in your the bare fiber diameter that you are cleaving with, and mine is 125. Type in 0, 1, 2, 5. There we go. Hit select or save. Now it is writing to the LCD-400, programming it. Then you want to scroll until you get to cleave tension. The cleaver can automatically put in the cleave tension for you. So that was the old tension, it's the new one. It bases it on the diameter of your fiber. So now it's programming it to cleaver, and now it's all set. Just hit escape, and you are all ready to cleave. Everything's on, everything's set. Just going to turn this around here so it's easier for me to put in the fibers. Have the fiber here. What you want to do is you want to close them and then open them. Once you open them, a vacuum pump will turn on. That'll help you guide the fiber into the two inserts. So you want to flip these two up, make sure your screws are unscrewed, or else you'll never be able to do that. Turn them up. There's the vacuum. Put in the fiber. Perfect. Close them up and tighten the screws. Now the fiber and coating, both in there. Everything's ready. All you have to do is hit the blue start button. And we have a successfully cleaved fiber. Just unscrew 2 screws, unload. Probably going to have the vacuum turn on again. You can just turn it off if you want to. And see that it's significantly shorter. The leftover portion is still inside here. And you have a successfully cleaved fiber. Thank you.